Hello everyone, let's start how to calculate percentage increase in Excel. So here you can see I have data to calculate 10% increase in the price of product. Select a sale is equal to select a price. Then use here the asterisk sign and type here 1.1 and press the enter. And here we see the 10% increase in the price. Select the cell, double click on this corner point and you can see the field below data, and that's it. And here I show you the second example percentage increase. Here you can see the data, product list, previous price, current price, and here I'm going to calculate percentage increase. Select the cell, use this equal to, and in bracket, select here the current price minus previous price, bracket close, divided by previous price and press the enter, and you can see the percentage calculated. Select the cell, double click on this corner point, and here you can see your data field below the cell. Now select the entire column, go to the home tab. In number group, click on the percentage sign, and you can see here the percentage increase showing. So here the one bonus trick with the conditional formatting to highlight the percentage increase. Select the entire column and go to the Home tab in Styles group. Click on the conditional formatting and click on the highlight cells rule. Then click on the greater than, and here the greater than dialog box is open. Then type here 0.1 and select the color. So just click on this drop down arrow and select here the green field with the dark green text. After that, I click on OK, and here you see the greater than 10% percentage here, the field with the green color. So that's it. This is a way you can calculate percentage increase in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.